from coast to coast to make you smile. A real life look at each of you to capture all that style. You're the red, white, and blue, the fun and things you do. America, America, this is you. Stories from your friends next door, they never told. You might be a star tonight, so let that camera roll. You're the red, white, and blue, all the fun and things you do. America, America, this is you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bob Saget.
See that? I've set off the metal detector. It'll just be a second. Thanks. Good. This is actually not for any security reasons. I kind of like it. Oh, you know what? This thing should be beeping. I had a set of handcuffs hidden on me somewhere. You know what? This is almost as surprising as these clips. Professor Plum did it with a ratchet set in the observatory.